One thing that comes to my mind is how I got into this position, by the way.
I know.
एक तो बेचारा शाहरुख कंधे पे उठा के मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा था, उसके लिए इतना बुरा लग रहा था. I was like, no, you're sure you can do this? Don't worry, I'm strong. And I'm like, yeah, but you know, you have to carry me on your shoulder. Will you be able to? And I was like really worried about him. I think he took it as a hit or to his masculinity. That how can you say that to me? I'm a guy. But we were in a studio. We were in Gautam's studio for this shot. And he very sweetly carried me and didn't make me feel heavy at all.
Yeah, it looks very effortless.
Yeah, it looks very effortless. Like बाद में frozen shoulder था, लेकिन उस वक्त तो लग रहा है कि अरे वाह.
तभी तो you all are the best actors we've ever seen. Okay, next.
This was for this. I remember Manish making me this suit. So he was like, you can't wear the same salwar kameez and go for the second time running for an award show. And you've been nominated for, I think I was nominated twice or thrice. So he's like, see, there are full chances of you winning. So you bloody well better make sure that you're like halfway decently dressed. तो हाँ, इसमें eyeliner भी लगाया था मुझे लगता है.
Padma Shri.
Oh.
First, tell us about how you got this news, what you thought about it, that moment, whatever you remember of it.
First of all, I thought they were joking. Are you sure मेरा नाम आया है, किसी और का तो नहीं आया? So नहीं, आपके लिए चिट्ठी आई. Sir, are you sure? Yeah, you've become Padma Shri now. But yeah, of course, it was a great moment, and I was like very, very deeply honored to be receiving this award and to be put into this list of such amazing greats. I mean, it's the greats of our country that actually have, received this award. So, of course, it's like a huge, big honor for me.
This must have happened at Rashtrapati Bhavan?
Yeah.
Padma Shri? Yeah. Your marriage.
Oh, yeah, my marriage. Which was, I have to say that I don't know whether every bride enjoys her wedding, but I have thoroughly enjoyed mine.
Oh, you did?
I had a blast. A for one, because our marriage was really small. We had like only immediate family. So we had like 50 people. That's it. We didn't have more than that. So it was like very intimate, very nice and very comfortable. There was no social media at that time. तो किसी को tension नहीं थी कि lipstick उतर गई है by the end of the night के नहीं कि दुपट्टा अटक गया है सर पे बाल खड़े हैं कुछ नहीं. And we had our mehendi and all before that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have, and my two sisters have organized my whole wedding. From the flowers to the people to the invitations to everything. So we had a blast. I had a blast. They were very stressed out. My whole family was stressed out because they were organizing everything. I, on the other hand, have sat down for my makeup. Mickey has done my makeup. I have sat down for my makeup and I am ready. अच्छा ठीक है. क्या करना है मुझे कहाँ पे जाना है कैसे शॉट देना है.
Did you think it was a film shooting? And
Not half as much fun. Not half as much fun, really. I was very serious. While we were doing the wedding also, talking to the Pandit, I was like, Jay, just tell him to hurry up. Just tell him to hurry up, please. It's taking so long and we got married in two wreaths. So we had the Maharashtrian wedding and we did the regular Sat Pheras and whatever.
But brides are usually stressed out, yeah?
I was not stressed out. I was like, just hurry up now. I can't sit here for too long. That's it.
Nice Maharashtrian look also here, right?
Yeah, that I wanted to do. That I really wanted to do. I wanted it to be. It's not that I didn't want to wear a sari, but I've worn saris and worn saris so much.
Yeah.
And I had never worn a nawari before.
Yeah.
So that was something that I wanted to wear the nut and I wanted to wear the nawari, and my grandmother was there and my mother was there and my dad, and it just makes it all look very, very, traditional and right.
Yeah.